If you are thinking to buy a great mic for your YouTube videos, then this video will help you to make a right choice, because I have shared this video with my personal experience with Boya By-M1 mic. This is the perfect budget mic to buy in 2021. So let's just quickly unbox it and I will come to compare it with the Samsung inbuilt microphone. So everyone, let's just quickly unbox it. This is the front part, and in the side part we can see By-M1 branding is shown and the Boya logo itself. And in the back side we can see some of the features highlighted here, like clip-in mic, omnidirectional, high quality condenser and low handling noise, and all those you can see it. Now in the down section you can see some of the specification highlighted here, like a frequency range and noise reduction, sensitivity, battery type, and all those words. You can take a screenshot and read it. Another part is also same. So inside it we can get the user manual, which we don't usually read, and another is warranty card. It depends upon your shop where you buy from, and the whole bag of Boya M1. And guys, this is made up of leather, so it gives the premium feels while carrying with you. So let's just quickly look what inside. So this is the amplifier jack, which you will use later, and this is the clipper so that you can attach your mic into the shorts collar. A battery is given, and this is the complete mic. Now this foam can be removed. I will remove it later. Before that, let's see the main part of the mic. So the main part is the center part. Now here you can see the button to switch between the modes. Like the upper part is for camera and the down part is for smartphone. Actually, you don't need a battery while you record from your smartphone, but need when you switch that mode into a camera mode. And it's connected to a device through 3.5mm jack. The length of our cable is quite enough of 6 meters of length. And the windscreen foam can be removed like this. So let's just pull it out, and this is the actual mic where the sounds record from. Now you can add the clip like this here and attach to any part of your t-shirts, shorts or coat like this. This is the actual unboxing. Now let's just compare this mic quality or mic performance with our smartphone. Okay guys, now the sound you are listening is recorded from Boya By-M1 mic, and it's completely a budget mic, as I said earlier in this video. And if we talk about the price in the Nepali market, it will cost around 1600 or 2000. So if you want to buy from Daraz online shopping, then I will give the link down in the description. You can check it out. And if you are watching through India, then it will cost around 700 rupees or 775 rupees. I don't know what is that. You can check it out in the Amazon. I will give the link in the description as well. So now let's just quickly change this mic into our Samsung inbuilt microphone. Now this sound is recorded from Samsung inbuilt microphone, and the device is Samsung M20. You can feel the difference between the Boya By-M1 mic and Samsung inbuilt mic. I have not edited this both sound. I have completely given the scratch sound. You can feel the difference. If you feel some difference, please comment down. And again, let's go back to the Boya By-M1 and see the actual difference. Okay guys, now we are back again to a Boya By-M1 mic. I can say you guys, this mic gives the final quality of sound. We don't need to edit this sound. It is the best out of best sound if you are indoor or if you are outdoor. Guys, so please don't forget to check out the description. I am using this microphone since a month, and I can say with very confident that it gives the final output. It gives the final output. So guys, please check down the description. If you like, you should buy this for your YouTube videos, for any other commercial videos. Thank you. Bye-bye. Subscribe.